evening, and good day to you all, anywhere you may be joining us from all over the world. This is TOSJOHN Consulting, your strategic business growth support partner. So please, if this is your first time of joining our YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and share it with other business owners around you. So in today's video, it's very important video. If you are starting up, a business, you are just setting up a business or starting out for the first time. So you need to, join us on this live streaming. Business name versus limited liability company. Which one is better in Nigeria? So please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, share it with other business owners around you. So hello everyone, welcome to TOSJOHN Consulting. If you are planning to start a business in Nigeria or you already have one, but you are not sure whether to register a business name or a limited liability company, then this live session is for you. So today we'll be breaking it down for you in a practical way. The real difference, the legal implication, the tax angle or the tax implication, the risk factor of each of those business, and which one is better for you. And yes, this is based on current corporate registration practice under the Corporate Affairs Commission. So before we dive into this live streaming, please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share with another business owners and entrepreneur around you. So let's begin. In part one, what is a business name? So a business name is basically a sole proprietorship or partnership. And what does this mean? The business is not separate from the owner. You and the business are legally the same. And if the business owes 10 million, you owe 10 million because there is no separate legal entity. So if this business is sued, you are sued as well. That is what business name means. And what are the advantages of registering as a business name? Of course, cheap to register, easy to maintain, less compliance, good for small startups. If you want to formalize your business, if you are still, operating on a micro level, you can go with business name. But what are the disadvantages? Unlimited liabilities. There are unlimited liabilities if you register as a business name. Harder to attract investors. Investors are not usually attracted to business names. That is a bigger disadvantage. So less credibility with large companies. If you want to deal with large companies, your credibility levels will be low. There are no shares to sell. You don't have share capital. So you need to ask yourself which one will be good for you and which one will be the other way around. So you need to choose based on all this information we are dishing out to you. So please, if this is your first time of joining our YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share with other business owners. So in part two, what is a limited liability company? We've talked about business name. Then let's look at what is a limited liability company. So a limited liability company, known as limited, is a separate legal entity business. And what does this mean by separate legal entity? It means that the company can sue and be sued. The company can sue, and then they can also sue the company. So the company has that legal power, right, to sue, and the company can also be sued. So the company owns assets. The company owns assets. It is a legal entity. It owns assets. Your personal assets are protected as the owner or the director in the business. So you can see the meaning of limited liability company. So you need to choose which one is good for you based on all this practical information. Then if the company owes 10 million, your risk is limited to your investment. Your risk is limited to the investment that you have in the company. So what are the advantages of limited liability company? There's legal protection. There's more credibility. It is easier to get investors, better for contracts, suitable for scaling. You can see the advantages of business of limited liability company. But as we have the advantages, we also have the disadvantages. And they are the disadvantages of limited liability company. Higher registration costs. Annual filings are required. Then we have more compliance obligations. So here is the truth of the matter. Serious businesses structure properly from day one. Serious businesses structure properly from day one. From the first day you are starting out, you structure your business properly at that moment. So in part 3, tax and credibility implications. Tax and credibility implication. So many people think registering a limited liability company automatically means higher tax. It is not so, not necessarily. So under the Nigerian tax laws, small companies that are limited with turnover of 100 million and below enjoy 0% company income tax, right? And of course, development levy 4%, they are exempted. And of course, they are also exempted from capital gain tax. So you can see the beauty of registering as a limited liability company. And we are your sure plug, your CAC accredited agents. You can reach out to us on all your business registration, annual filing, in fact, everything about CAC, corporate affairs, commissions, and every aspect of your business compliances. So compliance matters more than structure. Compliance matter more than structure. So also, corporate clients prefer dealing with limited liability company. That is what you should know as a business owner in choosing business name or limited liability company. Corporate clients, if you want to deal with companies in offering them your products or services, they prefer limited liability company than to business names. So government contracts mostly are required by limited liability company registration. So if you want to bid for government contract, it is being attracted. People that will be given the contract are those that are registered as limited liability company. So banks trust the limited liability structure more than the business name. In fact, banks will be more willing to give a limited liability loans than a business name. So moving on, in part 4, which one should you choose? Which one should you choose as a business owner, as an entrepreneur starting out first time? So let's simplify it this way. I haven't given you all this preliminary information. Choose business name if, look at the conditions, you are testing the market. If you are just testing the market, if it is a side hustle, if you have a low risk business, choose a business name. Or you want minimum startup costs, so you can choose a business name under those conditions. Then you choose limited liability company if these conditions are met. You want to build long term. You want to build long term. You want investors. You want asset protection. You plan to scale nationally and internationally, and you want credibility. So these are the instances or factors that will make you to choose a limited liability company. So please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share this video to other business owners. So the strategic advice that we'll be giving you here is many entrepreneurs in Nigeria start with business name, then later convert to a limited liability company. Yes, you could have been registered as a business name before, but you can later on upgrade to a limited liability company. But conversion takes time and of course extra costs. If your vision is big, start big. Structure follows vision. Structure follows vision. So this is the action plan. If you need help with business registration, company restructuring, tax compliances, financial advisory, TOSJOHN Consulting is here to help you to structure your business the right way. We are always here for you as your strategic business growth support partner. So send us a DM, message us, WhatsApp us, email us, and of course you can book for your consultation. Let's build something solid, something sustainable for your business. So we are asking you this question. Are you currently operating with a business name or limited? Are you planning to upgrade? Drop the answer in the comment section. So thank you for joining today's live streaming. Remember that structure determines sustainability, compliance determines survival, and strategy determines growth. Structure determines sustainability, compliance determines survival, and strategy determines growth. So we see you. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and share it with other business owners around you. So thank you for joining this live streaming. See you in another live streaming session. Turn on your notification button and share with other business owners. Subscribe yourself. Bye for now.